Okay, Blippy, here's another video of the new Yamaha EF 2000 IS. I thought I'd give you a quick tour. I know you're probably like, I want one of these. They're actually pretty cool. The thing's pretty sleek. You know, it's pretty compact. There's the exhaust end, which is a spark arrestor on there. If you can see that, gives you a pretty good view of the spark arrestor. So it's forestry certified. It's kind of like the front end of the deal here, the business end. And then I installed one of these hour meters. You can use this to track the oil changes and maintenance that's needed for the thing, but not too much maintenance for this thing. I actually sprung for the cover. Came with this nifty cover. It's got a little pocket on here, and I usually store the cables that came with the unit. That's why I like this over the Honda, is because Honda, this is extra with the Honda, and Yamaha includes this, and that's for the 12 volt charging circuit for this particular generator. But basically the controls are pretty simple. You basically have overload oil level light, AC power light, and then of course an overload for actually the for the power overload. You have the economy switch, the on-off switch, and then you have the gasoline on-off choke, of course, and then here's the actual 120 volt connector outlet, and then of course you have the 12 volt. So I'm going to start it up, let you have a listen to it. It might get a little shaky here for a minute, but it's actually pretty easy, you know, to set this to off, set this to on. We'll turn the gas on, and we'll pull the choke. And normally this starts the first pull, so you know, prospectively I'm probably not in a good spot, but I'm going to give it a yank here and see what happens. Stand by. And there you go. It's running now. It's actually on the high mode without the econo switch. But that's basically pretty much as loud as this generator gets, is what you see right there. Sorry, what you hear right there. Is about how loud it gets, and I'm probably about 3 feet away, and as you can tell, it's pretty quiet. If I walk up towards the garage here, around the corner, kind of panning up here towards the garage, I mean, I'm basically now probably about, I don't know, 10 feet away, if that, and you can see the generator there through the window. You can't even hear it. If I walk up here, I actually have the window open. You know, there it is from the backside. You can tell it's pretty darn quiet. I know there's no load on it, but I'll tell you, it really does a good job. Actually, too, while I'm here, I'll show you. Here's a couple of batteries. There's the one I use for the camper, and there's that other 27 series that I use, and I keep them going up with this flip charger. So I also have my other charging station stuff here for my drills and my 12 volt power supply there, some tools. But yeah, so I keep the batteries out here. I'm going to bring them in probably pretty soon, but I'll make our way back out to the generator's buddy. He's always in the way, but he's a good dog. And we'll walk back this way, and you can still hear, you know, it's running. And it's pretty cool because this hour meter, as it's running, let me get up close to that. See it's blinking now. It's wrapped it around the coil of the spark plug, and it just keeps track of running hours, which works for me. So actually, I run it every couple of like once a week, just to kind of run through. But I'm actually trying to run the gas out now. I want to keep it kind of clean. But the nice feature about this thing is you can actually, as it's running, and I'll turn the econo mode off, it'll get a little louder. But you can switch the gas off and then just let it run out of the bowl. So you don't have that wasted gas kind of hanging there, you know, on the, you know, just sitting in the bowl getting kind of wasted. So, well, I just thought I'd give you a quick preview of that going on there, and you know, hopefully maybe Santa Claus will be good to you, at least get you to the weather station. But that's the Yamaha 2000 IS inverter generator. Sweet, sweet deal. Talk to you soon.